of Toledo, and as you can see, the paint gets everywhere, all on top of the stencil. Okay, if you have done a stencil with fabric paint, so I used fabric paints like, so proper fabric paint that you use with a brush, but I just used a sponge brush, and I just quickly did it for the sake of this tutorial. So I've used just a little part of Toledo, and as you can see, the paint gets everywhere, all on top of the stencil. Although using marker pens will be much simpler and it only gets into the ridge, this one gets on top of it. And this bled a little bit, but that's okay. I probably used excess paint. And you can also see the brushes was just, the foam brush was indented in the center. Maybe that's what happened. Anyway, I only wanted to show you how to clean this. So I'm going to take the Clinell wipe and just wipe it. It's been dry for like, I would say probably for an hour. And you just take the mark off. It's so easy. If you do it within the hour, both of them are very easy. If you let it dry for more than 24 hours, then it just gets very messy. Oh, sorry, I started to get this one wet. It's always good to have something at the bottom, either a fabric or paper towel or something like that. So wipe it clean with another layer of clean Clinell, and your stencil will be like new again.